Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this material. I have this water, I have this caustic, I have this little bubble kind of thing, dots going up. So everything I created inside the material. I can add lots of properties, like I can increase this thing, I can make it flat, I can use this fill value to make it fill or make it empty, and I can use distortion, high distortion. Okay, so lots of things we can do here, and let's start this tutorial. You can find this file on my Patreon as usual. So let's start this. So let's create a material. I'll create a material and liquid. Okay, and I will use this material as unlit, and then I'll take a radial and also just make this translucent, I guess, and we can just connect this radial and opacity, and we will have this black because we don't have anything in the color. So I want it very sharp, so I'll just make the density 100. So it will be sharp. Now we want to make something in this, like a liquid. So if I take a texture coordinate